Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Maths Foundation class. So today in this session class 9th ICSE Maths topic we are going to deal with very important topic, that is the chapter of factorization. So what is factorization? First of all, factorization means it's basically a simple process. What we do here, okay, here it's a process where we represent what? A number, or it can be even an algebraic expression, First thing is what? It is a process where we represent a number or an algebraic expression in terms of it into simple or simpler factors. Okay, it is a process where you represent a number or algebraic expression into simpler factors, that is known as factorization. Okay, this is the basic definition. For example, if I take 360, this is a number. Okay, I want to factorize it. Basically what we do, this is the method we follow, right? So 218 is a 2 9s a, next is what? You can go with 5 or you can go with 3 or you can go with 2 also. 245 is a, then this is what? 5 9s a, we are having what? 3 3s a, then 3 1s a 3. So 360 can be written as what? Now 360, the factors of 360 are what? I can write it as what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. These what? These are the factors of what? Factors of 360. Factors of 360. Similarly, if I take an algebraic expression, let me take an algebraic expression like a power 6 into b power 6 minus a power 3 into b power 5. A power 3 into b power 5. Now here if I have to factorize, means you have to take common things. So here both the terms are having a and b, but here a to the power of 6 is there, here a to the power of 3 is there. So definitely what I can take common? A to the power of 3, both the places I can take common. So I can take what? A to the power of 3, outside I can take it. Okay, here look at b power 6 is there, b power 5 is there. So the power which is having the least, so b power 5, that one I should take. See, what I mean to say is a power 6 is there, here a power 3 is there. What I can take common? The one which is having least. So a power 3 you take it here also, a power 3 you will take it here also. So, and same procedure you have to do for b. So b power 6 and b power 5, what I should take common? Which is having the least power? B power 5, correct? No, so I should take b power 5 outside. So this will be b power 5. Now if I take a power 3 outside, here what is left out? Here what is left out? A power 3 is left out. A power 6 is, if you in the a power 6, if you remove a power 3, this will be what? A power 3 is left out, and here b power 5 you remove, means it will become what? 6 minus 5 is what? 1. This will be what? This will be completely 1. Everything you are removed. So this is how you factorize. Finally you will have what? A power 3 b power 5 into a cube b minus 1. This is how you will be doing it. This is known as factorization. Now to understand it better, let us take up the exercise, that is exercise 4a. Okay, from R.S. Agarwal, let us take it. The first question that we have is, they are telling factorizes. They are asking us to factorize. And the first question that we are having, it is given, okay, 5x square minus 20xy. 5x square minus 20xy. This is the question that they have given. This is the question that they have given. Okay, observe carefully. 5x square minus 20xy. So see here what is common? X is common, x is also common here also. Now 20, 5 is here, 20 is here. So first thing, let me write the question as it is. It is given, what they have given? Given, solution, see here, given, steps has marks, so you should write given 5x square minus 20xy. Okay, now what I can take common? X I can take common. Here also x is there, here also x is there, but I should take the least value of x. X if I take common, here also if I take x common, here one x will be left, I will be having x here. So this will be what? X minus, okay, see this 20 I can write it as what? This 20 I could have written as what? 5 into 4, correct? No, 20 I can write it as what? 5 into 4. So definitely I can take 5 also common. So this will become what? 5x into x minus, this 5 if I take common, what is left out? 4. 20 can be written as what? 5 into 4. This will become what? 5x into x minus 4y. That's all is the answer. Further, can you take anything common? No. Because here only x is there, here only y is there, you cannot take anything common. So the answer is what? 5x into x minus 5. If you factorize this, this is what you will get. That is, you are taking common things here. So, this will be the final answer. Got it? This will be the final answer. So, while taking common, what you should do? For the variable x and y, when you are taking, so here y is not there, here y is there, so you cannot take y common. Both the places it should be present. But how do you take it common? Here x square is there, here x is there. We should take from the least value. Least value means what? In terms of the power. Here x power 1 is there, here x power 2 is there. I should take what? X power 1. If I take x power 1 here, here also if I take x power 1, what is left out here? X power 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1 itself. So, 1x will be left. Okay, got it? Now, next thing, let us take the next question. Let us take the next question that we are having. They are telling factorize 18a square b minus 24abc minus 24abc minus 24abc. This is what the question says. Listen carefully. Now, 18 and 24 definitely they are having similar factors. So, you know that in 6 table also it will come, in 3 table also it will come, in 2 table also it will come. Okay, you can use anything. Okay, so let us take solution. I told you multiple times, I have told you step says marks. What you will take? Given. Okay, what they have given, write it. Given. Okay, 18a square b minus 24abc. Okay, now we have to take common, right? Here a square b is there, here abc is there. So, here only a square b, here abc is there. So, c we cannot take common because it is not present at both the places. Only when it is present at both the places you can take common. Which are present? A square b is present, ab is present. So, you can definitely take them common. So, now let us look at a square. Here a square is there, here a is there. What I should take common? A can take common. So, if I remove a from here, only a will be left here. Correct, no? So, 1a I will take it outside. Okay. Remaining what will be having? What will be having? A will be here. Okay. So, b also I can take common. Let it be ab. B also I can take common, right? So, I can take b also common. Okay. ab will be here. This will be what? 1b is left out, removed. Okay. Next, what is happened? ab is removed out. What is left? c is left. C is left. But what are the factors I can take common? 18 and 24 comes in which table? 6 table. So, if I take 6 outside, this will be what? 6 times 6 3 is 18. This is 6 4 is 24. Very good. That's all. So, 6ab is equal to 3a minus 4c. This will be the answer. So, these are final answers. You will write it as what? 18a square b minus 24abc is equal to what? Finally, you will put the box so that the person who is correcting your paper will know this is the final answer. Correct? Now, understood how to do this? Can we proceed to the next question? Okay, let us see the next question. This chapter is mainly about taking common. I am talking about exercise 4a. Third question we are having, they are telling factorize 27 x cube y cube, 27 x cube y cube minus 45 x power 4 into y power 2, x power 4 into y power 2. This is what we are having. Okay. Now, see here, solution given is what? Whatever is in the question, write down. Okay, given 27 x cube y cube. What about here? 45 x power 4 y power 2. This one, see, if you look at the term x, here x cube is there, x power 4 is there, I can take x cube outside. Yes or no? I can take x cube outside. Here y cube is there, y square is there. Okay, least value I should take, least value of power y cube is there, here y power 2 is there. What I can take outside? Y power 2. Y power 2 I can take outside. Okay. Now, 27 is there, 45 is there. In which tables? 3 tables. I can use 3 tables. 3 9s are 3 15s are. 3 9s are 3 15s are. But further can I do some other table? I can use 9 tables only, right? 9 3s are, 9 5s are. I can take 9 itself outside. If I take 9 outside, this will become 9 into x cube y square. So, if x cube I have taken outside, 9 into 3. So, x cube has come out. Okay, y square has come out. So, this will be what? Y cube. Here y square is there. So, I will write what? Only y. Minus 5 times x power 4 is there, here x power 3 is there. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So, it will become 3y minus 5x. This will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. Got it? This will be the final answer. Okay. 9x cube y square into 3y minus 5x. Okay. Next one. So, in the weekend, what I am telling is, whatever the questions we solve throughout this week, based on that only will be the test. Same questions you practice well. Okay, nothing much to do. Okay. Next one, they are telling, they are asking us to factorize. Fourth question, they are telling us to factorize 5a into b plus c minus 7b into b plus c minus 7b into b plus c. Okay, fine, that's fine, thank you. Minus 7b into b plus c. So, they are asking us to factorize this. So, solution, again write down whatever is given. What is given? Given 5a into b plus c minus 7b into b plus c. If you observe this question, see, you should have very good keen observation skills, then only you will be good in solving questions. If you observe this, what is common here? What is common here? Both the terms. Here what is there? B plus c is there. Here also B plus c is there. That itself is common. They have only given it in the bracket. Okay. So, that means we will take B plus c itself outside. Okay. Yeah, you can take anything, you can take common. So, B plus c if you take outside, what you will get? B plus c if you take outside, here what will be left? 5a will be left, then minus 7b will be left. This will be the final answer, that is it. Whatever is common, you remove it, you write it as what? You should put bracket here definitely, otherwise it will become c into, it is completely b plus c into this thing. Okay, this will be the final answer. Got it? So, whatever is common, even if it is inside, you can take. Does not matter whether it is inside or outside, you can take common. Next one. Online students, please do focus. Next one, what we are having, they were given factorize question number 5. They were given factorize 2x into p square plus q square plus 4y into p square plus q square. This is what we are having. Okay, this is the question they were given. So, we have to factorize this. Now, looking at this, so again we should do what? Solution. Given, copy the question carefully, 2x into p square plus q square plus 4y into p square plus q square. So, let me use some other color to show the notation of what? Those things which are common. Now, see here in this, what is common? P square plus q square. Here also p square plus q square is common. Can I take that outside? Yes, same like previous question. You can take it outside. So, this will become what? P square plus q square. If you take it outside, what is left inside? 2x plus 4y. That is it. This is the final answer. One step answer. One step answer you will get. But you should be careful while taking what is common. You underline it in the question while doing, underline it what is common. Then easily you can take it. Then you won't do any mistake. Okay. Let us proceed to the next question then. Clear till here? And one more thing here, observe carefully. Here, further I can take common. Further I can take common, yes or no? Because here 2x is there, here 4y is there. Can I take 2 common? I can take 2 common, yes or no? I can take here 2 I can take common, this will become x plus 2y. If I take 2 common, I will write 2 here, this will become p square plus q square, and what would this become if I take 2 common? This will become x plus 2y. This would be the final answer. Here wherever possible you have to take common. Okay. So, I have taken 2 common, this will become 2 times p square plus p square into x plus 2y, that is it. Okay, got it. Next question. Sixth one. So, they have given x into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. This is what is given. They are asking us to factorize this. They are asking us to factorize this. Okay. So, here first let us write down solution. What is given? X into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. Observe carefully within the bracket. Here directly you cannot take common. Here a minus 5 is there, here 5 minus a is there. Correct, no? So what I can do here is, for this term, here a minus 5 is there, here 5 minus a is there. I can make this a minus 5 only when I take minus outside. If I take minus common, this will become what? This minus into minus, minus into plus will become what? Minus. So this term will become minus. So next step what I can do? Next step it will become what? See here. This will become x into a minus 5. This also you write what? Y times a minus 5 only you write it. Same like this you will write it. Instead of 5 minus a you will write what? A minus 5. But instead of plus what you will write? Minus. Suppose here it was minus already, then you will write what? Plus. Earlier it was minus means it will become plus. Earlier it is plus now, so it will become minus. Now can I take common? Yes, definitely. A minus 5 common. Those are the terms that are similar here. Same terms here. So definitely I can take it outside. What would this become now? What would this become? This will become a minus 5 into x minus y. Very important to put the bracket. Okay, this is our final answer. This will be our final answer. Okay, our key step is where? This is the key step. A minus 5, here also I will make it a minus 5. So here plus will become minus. Suppose in the question if it was minus, it will become plus. That's it. Okay, simple. Next one. Next question. Question number 7. They have given factorize 4 times x plus y minus 6 times x plus y whole square. This is what they have given. This is what they have given. 4 times x plus y minus 6 times x plus y whole square. So see here x plus y is there, here x plus y whole square is there. So first let us take solution. Given what is it? 4 times x plus y minus 6 times x plus y whole square. Whole square. Now what we will do? I can take x plus y outside. So this will become what? X plus y. If I take outside, what will be inside? This will be 4 minus 6 times x plus y. This is what I will be having. Okay. This is what I will be having. Inside bracket is there, so I will make it a square bracket. Now x plus y is there. This will be what? 4 minus 6x minus 6y. This is what you will be having. Okay, this is what you will be having. Okay, further can I take anything common? Here, yes. I can take what I can take common here? 4 is there, here 6 is there, here 6 is there. I can take 2 common. Okay, I can take 2 common here. Okay, 2 I can take common. If I take 2 common, this will become what? 2 times x plus y into this will become what? 2 minus 3x minus 3y. This is what it will become. This is what it will be becoming. That's it. That's it. That is the final answer. Okay, got it. Wherever possible, you can take common. That's it. Here you can take 3 also common. Inside one more bracket you can put, but not required. Enough. Because 3 and 3 are there. No, inside again I can take bracket. I can take 3 outside, but not required. You can keep it here. That's it. Okay. Next question. Further. We are having factorize 8th question. They are given 6 times 2a plus b 3b whole square minus 8 times 2a plus 3b. Okay, 2a plus 3b. Now, as you can look at it, 2a plus 3b is there both the places. So that itself you can take it as common. But before that, solution, write what? Given 6 times 2a plus 3b whole square minus 8 times 2a plus 3b. Now, I can take what? 2a plus 3b outside I can take it. So this will become what? 2a plus 3b into this will become what? 6 times 2a plus 3b. One time if you take it outside, another one 2a plus 3b will be there because this is square. So this will become what? 6 times 2a plus 3b. Let us make this a square bracket. What about this one? This will become minus 8. Okay, minus 8. Now, 2a plus 3b, you should write equals. You should write equals everywhere. Okay, 2a plus 3b into what is this? 6 into 2 is what? 12a plus 6 3 is a 18b minus 8. This is what we will have. Now, can I take anything common here? Yes, I can take common. 2 I can take common, no? If I take 2 common, this will become 6a plus 9b minus 4. Okay. If I take 2 outside, this will become 2 times 2a plus 3b. Take 2 I have taken common, this will become what? This will become 2 into 6. That means 2 6 are 2. If I take outside, this will become 6a, this will become 9b minus what is this? Minus 4. So, this is what we will be having. Understood? Everywhere you have to take common wherever possible. That is it. Next question. Clear with this? Clear till here? Understood till here? Okay. Next one. But you should write the same steps. Don't write direct answer. Some questions are very easy. You will tend to write direct answer and move to next question. But you have to write the steps. Okay. Next one. They were given x into x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y into x plus y. This is what we are having. Okay. This is what we are having. Solution. Given x into x plus y whole cube minus 3x square y into x plus y. So, first of all, definitely I can take what? I can take x plus y common. Okay. X plus y I can take outside. So, here I can take what outside? Definitely I can take x also, right? X square is there, x also I can take outside. So, this will become what? X into x plus y. If I take outside, this will become what? This will become inside. This will become x plus y whole square. Let me make it a square bracket. X plus y whole square minus this is what? 3 x is already taken out. So, 1 x will be there, 3 x y, that is it. X plus y is taken out, that is it. This is what we will be having. This is what we will be having. Now, x into x plus y. Okay. Now, let us expand this so that we can cancel certain things. So, this will become what? X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. Okay. Minus 3xy. Now, observe carefully, x into x plus y, this is what we are having, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy means it will become minus xy. Minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. So, this will become what? X square plus y square minus xy. So, this will be the final answer. That is it. If you are strong in algebra, you can do. This factorization they have given mainly algebraic identities. That is it. And this factorization is highly important. If you have knowledge of factorization correctly, it will be highly beneficial for you to solve the questions in quadratic equations. Quadratic equation, that is also one chapter. Okay, very important chapter that will be there throughout your mathematics. 10th, 11th, 12th, everywhere quadratic equation is very important. Okay. So, next thing we are having 10th one. They have given a cube plus 2a square plus 5a plus 10. Okay, 5a plus 10. These are the questions from 4a, question number 10 from R.S. Agarwal. So, it is in your book, you have to practice it, same questions. Okay. So, let us solve this solution. Given what they have given, a cube plus 2a square plus 5a plus 10. Okay, I will group it like this. I will group it like this. See, a cube plus 2a square plus 5a plus 10. I will group it like this. Now, observe carefully. Can I take a outside here? A square is outside. A square I can take outside. This will become a square. If I take outside, this will become a plus 2. A plus 2. If I take 5 outside, this will become again a plus 2. So, inside we got what? A plus 2. Here also we got a plus 2. That time a plus 2. That time what you should write is, first you write down a plus 2. Next what you will write down? A square is there plus 5 is there. Write down that. Remaining things you write down. A square plus 5. This itself is the final answer. Okay. Understood? So, for such question what you should do? Observe carefully, very important step. So, a plus 2 is there. A plus 2 is there. What you will do? A plus 2 take it outside. A plus 2 if I take common, what is left out? A square plus 5. That is it. What I did here? A plus 2 I took common. Okay. Then what it will become? A square plus 5. So this is the final answer. Got it? Clear? Okay. Some more questions we will be doing. Okay. Next one we are having is question number 11. X square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. Okay, this is what we are having. So observe carefully. Solution. Whatever is given, write down clearly. Given x square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. Here, if I consider this, I can take what x I can take common here. So x into this will become x into x plus y. Now here I can take minus 2, z is there both places, minus 2 is there both the places, minus 2 z I can take outside, so this will become x plus y. Okay, now x plus y I can take common, so this will become what? X plus y into, what about this one? This remaining is what? X minus 2z. That's it. Simple. Fairly simple it is. You have to pay attention to each and every step. Okay, first when you go back, observe each and every question, how the solution is unfolding from each and every step, then you solve. First the concept is important. Concept is the king. Okay, revision, practice, you may solve hundreds of questions, but if you are not understanding concept, solving this question is futile. Okay, understand the concept, then solve. Then it will be easy for you. Okay, you have to revise the concepts. You have to know what I am taking common and why I am taking common. And most importantly, you should know why I am doing something here, some step here. Instead of knowing what is happening, you should know why I am doing that step. That is more important. That is what the foundation class is all about. Okay. Why we are learning factorization? Of course, it's in your syllabus. You have to get good marks in test. But apart from that, factorization is very important chapter for quadratic equations. Quadratic equation is very important for you to score well in 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay. Next question. 12th one. They have given what? Factorize a cube b minus a square b plus 5ab minus 5b. Okay, this is what is given. Now, solution. What is given? A cube b minus a square b plus 5ab minus 5b. Just think a bit about this question. Think for a few minutes about this question. Think about what I can take common, all these things. Okay, then we will solve this question. So, a cube b, a cube a square b. I can take b outside, a square I can take outside. So, this will become what? A minus, what is this? A minus, what is this? It will just become 1. B also I have taken outside, no? So, it will become a square b into a minus 1. What about this one? Same thing. I will take what? 5. I can take it as what? 5b I will take outside. This will become a minus 1. A minus 1, I am getting what is it? Common. I will take a minus 1 outside. What is left inside? A square b plus 5b. A square b plus 5b. So, definitely here also can I take common? Yes. B I can take common. This will become what? A minus 1. B I will write here. This will become what? A square plus 5. That's it. Simple. That's it. That's it. Next question. See, we will solve one more question or one or more, two more question. After that, we will wind up. Okay, don't worry. Okay, clear till here, no? Just be patient. 13th question. They were given factorize x square plus y minus xy minus x What about the 14th question? Fourteenth question, they will go like this: factorize a into a plus b minus bc, a plus b minus c minus bc. This is what is given. Okay, now listen. First, what we should write? Solution. After that, what we will write? Given. Okay, solution. It is very important to write given. Given x square plus y minus xy minus x. Okay, next step what you will write? X square and y, there is nothing common. Xy and xy, y is common. Here x is there. Can I write together? I will write like this. I will rearrange this. This is my key step in this question. X square minus x I will write. Instead of writing separately, I will write together. X times together, then what is there? Plus y minus xy. Now definitely I can take common here. X I can take common. X if I take common, this will become x into x minus 1. Here if I take what I should take common here? You can take y common. This will become what? Y into, it will become 1 minus x. Y into 1 minus x. Okay, here x minus 1 is there. Here 1 minus x is there. Can I make it x minus 1? Yes, I can make it. So this will become x into x minus 1. This will become what? Y into x minus 1. But what about this plus? This plus will become what? Minus. Very good. That's it. Next, what we will do? X minus 1, take it outside. This will become x minus 1. If you take it outside, this will become x minus 1 into x minus y. This is the final answer. X minus 1 into x minus y. This will be our final answer. Got it? Let us go for this question, 14th question. After this, we will wind up. Okay. So, online students, those who are watching, please make a note of these questions. Try it by yourself once again. If you are having doubt, put it in the comment section, or okay, watch the video again, class again. So, be regular. So, maths classes will happen regularly. So, please be regular. Okay. Next, solution. A into a plus b, and if you are having any specific queries or if you want any specific chapter, you can put it in the comment section. Okay, that we will be doing. So, this is what given. Okay. Now, what we will do next step? Multiply a. There is nothing I can take common here. So, multiply with a here. This will become what? A into a square. This will be ab. This will be what? ac. This will be what? Minus bc. Now, I will write all the a terms together. This is what? A square minus ac I will write. This is what? Plus ab minus bc. Okay. Why I am writing like this? Because here ab is there, here b is there. So, both the b's are there here. Okay. Now, I can take what? A I can take common. This will become what? A into a minus c plus this is what? Here I can take b outside. If I take b outside, because b here also b is, here also b is there. So, this will become b into a minus c. Further, what I can do? A minus c can take common. A minus c into a plus b. That's all. A minus c into a plus b. This will be the final answer. Appears difficult, but very simple, fairly simple. Just you have to focus. That's it. All right, friends. I'll wind up now. Let's meet in the next session. We will be coming up with the remaining questions of 4A, that is from factorization chapter. So, this was the foundation class for class 9 ICSE maths. Okay, we will be coming up with class 10th maths, class 8th maths also. All right. Thank you. Take care.